Hello, I'm Miss Khin from the Eastlake Public Library. Let's make a foxcraft together. You will need a glue stick, a black marker pen, and a square orange paper. If you don't have an orange paper, use a piece of white paper and color the paper orange like mine. Fold the paper in half. Fold it in half again. Unfold it. Turn the paper like this. On this part of the paper, from this pointy part, lift the top layer of the paper and fold it to the center line. Like this. Repeat with this side. On this side of the paper, from this pointy part, lift the top layer of the paper and fold the top layer part to the center line. Okay, like this. Okay. These are your fox's ears, and this is the face. With a black marker pen, draw two eyes on the face and a nose. Before you draw the eyes and nose, glue the ears on the center line. Like this. Now let's draw two eyes and a nose on the face. Two eyes. Here's your cute little foxy fox. If you would like, you can make a hole on the head. Look at this. With a hole puncher, then pull a string through the hole and tie the string. Then hang it anywhere you like. Hope you like making this craft today. Have a good one. See you next week.